Assalamualaikum. My name is Dr. Ali Naqvi and I am here to give you a brief review over the assessment of acute attack of asthma. Like I already have discussed in the previous slide and previous video. You can see that video in my link given in the description. So, while you are a doctor and working in a ward or emergency, you have to assess the patient condition in asthma. We have divided this in three categories: mild, moderate, and severe. And according to symptom and signs and some vitals, we have differentiated into three categories. So we will assess the patient with the clinical features. These are symptoms. Clinical feature. What is clinical symptom? For example, clinical feature in the mild, moderate, severe. So we will start with the mild category. The clinical features of mild patient: breathlessness. Any patient, the clinical features of asthma is breathlessness, ability to speak is changed, alertness is changed, what is the position of sitting of patient, wheezing, etc. So, the mild patient, breathlessness to shortness of breath do happen while walking. When he walk 100 to 200 meter or more, he or she started having SOB, shortness of breath. What is the patient? Patient can lie down. He say, I can sleep straight and I have no orthopnea or PND. Other kind of conditions like other conditions in the pulmonary edema. Ability to speak. Yes, he can speak in sentences. Like he can speak in 1 minute and he can speak long sentences. So, and alertness, he may be agitated. He may be agitated in that condition. So alertness is might be he is or she is agitated. What signs you will observe? Respiratory rate. Her or his respiratory rate will be increased and he or she is having wheezing. That is moderate, but that is moderate and mostly at end expiratory, when he is taking breath, like at the end of expiration he is having wheezing. Accessory muscles are mostly present in the neck. Patient usually with the bronchiectasis or severely COPD patient who is using his or her accessory muscle. In the mild condition of the asthma, patient not using his or her accessory muscles. These are signs you are observing. And then we are going to the vitals, that is pulse. Pulse is less than 100. Pressure of the carbon dioxide is less than 42 mmHg. Saturation is 95%. All pulses paradoxicus is absent. While in the patient who is having a moderate kind of asthma attack, he or she is having breathlessness even while at rest. Like he can rest, but when he move, he is starting having breathlessness. And position, patient prefer to sit because he feels easy and the heaviness of the chest tightness reduce while sitting, so he prefer to sit. And sentences speak, he can speak in phrases rather than sentences, long sentences. He can speak in 3 to 4 words and stop and then again, like my name is, like this way. And alertness, he is agitated and usually agitated, not continuously, but he is usually agitated. And symptom, and when we go toward the signs, the respiratory rate is increased or maybe more than 20. When wheezing is loud throughout the expiration, like when he is inspired there is no wheezing, but when he expire there is wheezing, loud wheezing. As in mild, there is a wheezing at the end expiratory. So here the wheezing is at throughout the expiration. He usually commonly use accessory muscles to get rid of the chest tightness. Pulse rate is 100 to 120 and is Pressure of the carbon dioxide is greater than 42. Saturation is between 90 to 95%. And pulses paradoxicus may be present, but in the severe asthma, the patient in the emergency have very severe shortness of breath even at rest. He even cannot sit properly or in resting position. He is very much agitated. He cannot know what he no don't know what to do. But he is very much agitated and he has a severe agitation. But his sitting position is hunched over, like he is sitting like forward, hands on bed by side, and he cannot speak in word. He cannot speak in phrases or sentences, but he can speak word like I have to speak that this is my book. I am speaking it because I am normal, but the patient with the severe he will speak like this is this way. And what are the signs we observe? The respiratory rate is more than 30%, and the wheezing, respiratory has loud wheezing throughout, even in the inspiration expiration. Chest muscle is used by him usually because his chest is very tight. Pulse per minute more than 120. CO2 his pressure is more than 42 mmHg, and saturation oxygen less than 90%. So he need oxygen. He also need oxygen, but this patient need oxygen. Pulses paradoxicus is often present. This is the way we assess the acute asthma, and we deal the patient according to it in the ward. Thank you so much. Hope you understand. Sorry for my funny language. Thank you so much.